Hey, have a good day, all of my students, wherever you are. So, today we are going to learn about direction, asking and giving direction, meminta dan memberikan arah ke suatu tempat. So, welcome to my class, Miss Dapu's class. You have to be creative, have a good critical thinking, be collaborative, and be communicative in my class. Don't forget to be active, okay? Get ready. In my class, there will be some activities. So you have to learn the lesson first, see some examples, do the exercise, practice dialogue, and make your own simple dialogue. Okay, we start the material. Asking for direction. Apa sih itu asking for direction? Itu adalah ungkapan yang digunakan seorang untuk meminta petunjuk ke suatu tempat. Kemudian bagaimana dengan giving direction? Giving, memberikan, ya. Jadi ungkapan yang digunakan seseorang untuk memberikan petunjuk suatu arah dari suatu tempat. Next, kita akan belajar bagaimana meminta arah kepada seseorang menuju suatu tempat, ya. How to ask direction to someone. Well, there will be many ways to ask direction. Ada beberapa cara untuk menanyakan arah. For example, could you tell me how to get to hospital? How do I find post office? Pardon me, I'm lost. How do I get to bakery? Which is the best way to barbershop? There are more ways to ask direction to someone. Ya, jadi masih ada banyak banget cara untuk menanyakan arah, ya. So I give you more in the second slide. So here, for example, excuse me, do you know where the post office? Permisi, kamu tahu nggak di mana kantor posnya? Are you from around here? Apakah kamu berasal dari sekitar sini? I'm looking for this address. Saya mencari alamat ini. And then you show the address you are going to find. Ya, jadi kalian menunjukkan alamat yang akan kalian cari. Now, next we move to giving direction, memberikan arah, ya. So di sini ada go up, it's on the corner, itu di pojok gitu ya. Go straight ahead, lurus, cross, itu menyeberangi gitu ya. Turn right at the crossroad, belok kanan di perempatan. It's on your left, ini di sebelah kiri kalian. It's on your right, ini di sebelah kanan kalian. It's about 100 meters from here. Ya, jadi sekitar 100 meter dari sini. Take the first road on the right. Jadi ambil belokan pertama ke kanan gitu ya. And then there will be much example at the next slide. You can read it by yourself. I'm sure that you are able to know the meaning of it. If you cannot find the meaning, you may search on dictionary or on your offline dictionary. Nah, di sini ada gambar yang memperjelas bagaimana memberikan arah ya. Jadi ada go right, lurus, turn right, belok kanan, turn left, belok kiri, U-turn, artinya memutar, putar balik gitu ya, and many more. Until now, so far so good. Is there any question? Okay, here's some phrases to talk about giving direction. Ya, beberapa frase yang bisa digunakan untuk memberikan arah. Near, dekat. Behind, di belakang. Beside, di samping. Next to, di samping. Turn right, belok kanan. Turn left, belok kiri. In front of, di depan. go straight, jalan lurus, and many more. Here the second slide for additional information how to give direction. Yeah, opposite, intersection, T-junction, on the corner of, and many more. You can read it by yourself. Berikut adalah cara bagaimana memberikan arah kepada seseorang. First, go down the street, then go down for second blocks. Pertama-tama, kamu lurus aja di jalan ini, kemudian cari belokan kedua. Then, turn left at the traffic light. Kemudian, belok kiri di lampu lalu lintas. After that, go straight on Mawar Street until you get to the Melati Street. Setelah itu, lurus di jalan Mawar sampai kamu menemukan jalan Melati. When you get to the Melati Street, turn left or right again. Ketika kamu sampai di jalan Melati, belok kiri atau kanan lagi gitu ya. Jadi di sini bisa kita bilang belok kanan atau belok kiri tergantung situasi. Then stay on Melati Street for about 8 meters. Jadi lurus aja di jalan Melati sekitar 8 meter. The cinema is on your left. Sinemanya berada di sebelah kiri, next to the BRI Bank ya. Jadi di sebelah Bank BRI. Okay? Now we move to the example of the dialogue. Ya, di sini ada percakapan pendek yang bisa kalian gunakan sebagai contoh dalam menanyakan dan memberikan arah. Okay? Emily, excuse me, I'm afraid I can't find a petrol station. Do you know where one is? Bill, there's one near here. Emily, how do I get there? Bill, at the bus stop, take the first right and go straight on. It's opposite the shopping mall. Emily, thank you so much. Next, ada contoh kedua ya. There will be second example. You can read it by yourself at home. And now we move to the assignment. Yeah, you are going to do 3 exercises. Yeah. Please pay attention on the instruction. Please copy the link and paste on the Google search. Do the exercise 1 to 3 on Microsoft Word. Rename the file by the subject. Class _ number _ full name. Example. Yeah, you can take a look on the example. And don't forget to send the answer to my email, puspawati.idaayu@yahoo.com. Good luck. You can do it. So here is the first exercise. Here is the link. You can copy and paste it on Google search. And the next one is the second exercise. And here is the last exercise. Well, this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for joining our class. Nice to meet you all, guys. Hopefully this lesson will be useful for our learning process. Bye-bye.